putting on my socks. I gotta also do my makeup. I just braided my hair. So I was like, I cannot do my hair today. Braided it is. Oh, I really need to do laundry. But I still have a lot of underwear left. So I ordered more work pants. Well, I think 2 work pants. That should last me like 2 more weeks. Almost emptied it. I have my earrings here. Today I will wear these little pieces that I got from Korea. Now I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm back and I got takeout. I've been so good at like eating healthy and like, you know, eating like the vegetables that I prepped and everything, but today like it was a rough day today. Also, my no, I forgot to take care of my Tamagotchis and now they're dead. R.I.P. They became a petite family because I starved them so much. And then they died. So when in this version, when they die, they actually don't show up like dead, but they get on a spaceship and then they leave. Which is equivalent to they've gone to heaven. Now back to eggs. Okay. Well, anyway, what was I talking about? So I got pork dumplings. I'm very excited. Okay, I gotta pull the monitor and then I'm gonna watch some TV while I eat. They're being born. Are there any fun shows to watch? I don't know what to watch. Netflix is kind of boring. They look pretty good. It's been quite a long day. It's only 8:12, but I am beat. I am so tired. I'm gonna... Ow. I really wanted to see the cherry blossom after work. I think there's a plane. I really wanted to see the cherry blossom after work. Like I wanted to go to the park and whatever, but after work I'm always so like tired that like I just want to come home and turn my brain off, like just turn it off. I don't want to think. I don't want to do anything. I just want to turn it off, turn my brain off. Starting next week though, we have to start coming into the office 3 times a week and I'm low-key sad about it. So we're thinking Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm so sad. I'm so sad that I've been so good at not buying anything from the Sephora sale that's going on, and today I was just so stressed that I resorted to retail therapy. Yeah, I bought some stuff. I also want to buy some sheet masks, but I'm gonna wait until I finish my my collagen mask before I place an order. But yeah, I also bought some clothes, and like I keep spending money, and yeah, it's not good. But I do have my facial this weekend, so I'm very excited. Because I need to, my skin's been breaking out, but because I started my period, like it's been fine until like a couple days ago when I started my period, and I was like, okay, I knew. I was like, oh, it's that time of the month. I've always been into podcasts, but I also started reading or listening to Audible, or like audiobooks basically. And I recently finished I'm Glad My Mom Died by Jeanette McCurdy, who played Sam in the popular show iCarly, which I loved. And I loved iCarly, like that. I grew up watching that show. I grew up with Nickelodeon, and then there was like this documentary about, about Nickelodeon and the child actors basically being like the documentary was so sad, but my boss is texting me. What? Emergency happened. What? Might as well unpack my stuff. I wasn't going to unpack, but might as well. Okay. I'll move my desk and why do I feel so cluttered? Like, okay. So, this is my backpack. My beige backpack. Show you what I brought back. Oh, actually, maybe I can. I got this, oh, I have a pack of gum in here. I do not know. Got this. This is from Eve Lom. I think we got it from like a vendor. Interesting. Oh wow, this is like a travel thing, but it like rotates. I thought this would be cool for like medicine, but I don't think so because it's like it moves so like it doesn't like stop or anything. Like it can just stay open all the time. That's not good. Oh no, okay, you can close it. Okay, never mind. Okay. And then these are like their cleansing oil in the capsules. Cool. Just as I suspected. I don't have that much clips from yesterday's vlog. So yesterday's vlog is going to be very short, okay? In my defense, I was at work. I really want to go see the cherry blossoms, maybe this Saturday. So I finished editing yesterday's vlog. It took literally seconds because I had so few clips. Also, I went to Sephora yesterday, but I didn't end up buying anything because the line was so long because of the sale. But I didn't buy anything in stores. I bought stuff. I literally went just to smell the Kayali perfume in Pistachio Yum because I've heard so many great things, and I had smelled it before in the stores, but I forgot what it smelled like. So I went in stores to smell it again, and I was gonna buy it if I liked it, but the line was so long. So then I was like, I'll just buy it online because why not? You know, I get free shipping anyways. So that's what I did today. Today I purchased things online. So I didn't explain that in yesterday's vlog. I just had the clips of me going into Sephora, and then I didn't even vlog inside the Sephora store because it was packed. It was packed, and people were like, the line literally wrapped around, and I was like, oh hell no, hell no. I smelled it and then I just like left. So that's why, just to give a little bit more context on why I included a clip of me going into Sephora yesterday, but then I shopped online. I said it in this vlog and I didn't. Okay, I'm trying to justify that I did not go to Sephora yesterday to buy stuff. Okay, just clearing the air. I want like a soda. Like, I feel like I have indigestion. Actually, you know what? I'll just take my indigestion Alka-Seltzer thing. That was my sign. That was my it's not a sign, but this is my motion for fizzy medicine. Alka-Seltzer. My motion for Alka-Seltzer. Can I talk? My motion for Alka-Seltzer. I was talking with my manager today, and I do a lot of like hand gestures when I talk, and so I was talking about like scooching, like everyone scooching together, and this was the motion that I used. This is my motion for scooching, my motion for earthquake. Oh, although I was like explaining to her that I used this motion for earthquake, and so we actually looked up what the sign language was for earthquake. So that's earthquake. Like, well, according to Google it was, so let me know if this is it. Oh, wait. This is earthquake. I don't know sign language. All I know is thank you, more, you know, from Blue's Clues. I got my Alka-Seltzer tab. So can you see? Can you see? Can you see my beautiful trackpad that I am still obsessed with? Alka-Seltzer. I get mine in the lemon lime flavor because then it tastes like Sprite, but it's also very salty, so it's like salty Sprite.